Today I'm taking a look at the 45800 milliamp hour solar power bank. So we got our user guide. It says the battery capacity is 45800 milliamp hours at 3.7 volts. We got a bunch of different USB ports, and it appears that they are all 2.4 amps at 5 volts. Solar charging is 220 milliamps at 5.5 volts. Camping light, we got 2 watts, and a flashlight, we got 1 watt. So here is the power bank. This is something I used to see a lot, but I just don't see as much anymore, and I'm glad that they're starting to bring it back. Solar panels on these things really is awesome if you intend to use this going on something like a camping trip. Even if you're not going on a camping trip, maybe you're just driving somewhere, you can throw this guy on the dash of your car. It is always awesome having a power bank that can actually charge itself. So we do have protectors on the corners. We got 3 different cables. We got our lightning, we got our USB-A, and this is a style I like because this one you can actually flip around either direction. It will make contact. You don't have to worry about plugging that in any single direction. And last up, we got our USB-C. This is probably the most common that anybody's going to be using today, but it's nice having those extra options. On the back, we also have all those same ratings. On the top, we got our flashlights, and then on the bottom, we got it covered with 2 USB-A ports and a USB-C port. It does have a spot for a tether on the side, and that even comes with a carabiner. So if we want to be able to clip this guy onto our belt loop or our backpack, whatever we want to do with that, we have the capacity to do that. It does also come with a charging cable, and that is USB-C to USB-C. So let's hit the power button, and we can see our indicators there on the top to let us know it does come fully charged. If we double click, that will turn on our floodlight or our camp light, and if we press and hold, that will turn on our flashlight. And that actually does put out a pretty decent amount of light. If I click that again, we got flash, we got strobe, and we got off. So a really cool thing about this is that it has the capacity to charge 5 devices at the same time. Yep, and we can hear that is charging. I've got my OBD2 reader is charging. So let's go ahead and charge my phone as well. Okay, that is charging, and I will charge my other phone. There we go. 3 devices charging all at the same time, and this has the capacity to charge 5 devices at the same time if you want to. So that is a fairly powerful power bank. Plus just the fact that we got that USB cable built right in means we don't even have to carry one of these cables with us. As long as we got this with us, we can charge our phone, and because it has that solar panel at the top, means that we can actually charge this thing without needing to have a source of power. So overall, that is an awesome power bank.